Make $1,000 in one day. 5 proven methods. What's going on, everyone? It's your name, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know a lot of you are looking for ways to make money online, and you want it fast. And honestly, who doesn't? Whether it's for some extra cash or to cover an unexpected expense, finding ways to generate income quickly can be a game changer. So today, we're diving headfirst into the world of online earning, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online in just one day. We're talking about proven websites, tried and true methods, and actionable tips that you can start using right now to see results. No more fluff, no more waiting weeks to see a few pennies trickle in. This is about taking action and getting paid today, so let's get started. Freelance platforms, your ticket to quick gigs. First up, we're talking about freelance platforms. Think of websites like Upwork and Fiverr as your online marketplace for skills. Whether you're a writing wizard, a coding guru, or a graphic design ninja, there's a gig out there waiting for you. And the best part? You can often find same-day projects that pay quickly. Need to write a 500-word blog post about sustainable dog toys? Boom! Upwork's got you covered. Have a knack for designing eye-catching logos? Head over to Fiverr and watch the orders roll in. Don't underestimate the power of these platforms. They're a goldmine for anyone looking to monetize their skills and get paid fast. Get paid to share your opinion online surveys. Next, let's talk about a super easy way to make money in your spare time. Online surveys. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie actually pay you for your opinion. It's simple. Sign up, complete surveys on various topics, and earn points or cash rewards. While you won't be retiring early on survey sites alone, they're a fantastic way to earn some extra money while you're binging Netflix or waiting for that delivery order. Plus, who doesn't love getting paid to share their thoughts on everything from the best pizza toppings to the latest tech gadgets? Chapter 3. Turn clutter into cash selling unused items. We've all got that one drawer, that shelf in the garage, or that corner in the closet that's overflowing with stuff we never use. Well, guess what? That clutter could be your ticket to making some quick cash. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace have made it easier than ever to sell your unwanted items to people who actually want them. Got a vintage record player collecting dust? List it on eBay. Have some gently used clothes you haven't worn in years? Facebook Marketplace is calling your name. You'll be amazed at what people are willing to buy. So channel your inner Marie Kondo, declutter your space, and watch the money roll in. Chapter 4, Hit the Road, or the delivery app Gig Economy to the rescue. The gig economy is booming, and for good reason. Apps like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash offer incredible flexibility and the opportunity to earn money on your own terms. If you've got a car and some free time, why not sign up to be a driver and get paid to shuttle people around town? Or if you prefer to set your own hours and be your own boss, delivering food or groceries through apps like DoorDash or Instacart could be the perfect side hustle. The beauty of the gig economy is that you're in control. Work as much or as little as you want and get paid quickly for your time and effort. Chapter 5. Affiliate marketing. Earn passive income by sharing what you love. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Have you ever recommended a product or service to a friend or family member and wished you could get a cut of the sale? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can. By partnering with brands and promoting their products through unique affiliate links, you can earn a commission on every sale you drive. Whether you have a blog, a social media following, or even just a knack for recommending great products, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. Find companies and products that align with your interests, share them with your audience, and watch the commissions add up. So there you have it, 5 proven methods to make money online in just one day. Whether you're tapping into the power of freelance platforms, sharing your opinions through surveys, or hitting the road with the gig economy, there are countless opportunities out there waiting for you. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Choose one of these methods, get started today, and watch as you start generating income online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips and tricks. And as always, hustle hard and stay focused.